you have finally done it. You have made a profit, all right? Maybe you have turned 10 into that in a couple of days, maybe 100 to $250, all right? Or maybe you have just had your best trading day ever. Now comes the question that most traders never ask. Should you withdraw your profits or leave everything in your account? Believe it or not, the answer to this question can determine whether you can keep growing your account or end up blowing it, okay? Today I'll show you exactly how I think about the withdrawals, okay? And how you can build a simple withdrawal plan that protects your profit, all right? Number one, the biggest mistake most people do. Now here's what most traders do, all right? They make money, they feel unstoppable, and instead of withdrawing anything, they decide to trade with all of it. Their thinking is simple. If I made this much today, imagine how much I'll make tomorrow. Unfortunately, tomorrow doesn't always go according to plan. One bad session, 2 emotional trades, a few revenge trades, and suddenly weeks of profits disappear. This happens far more than people admit, all right? Now, withdrawing profits isn't just about spending money. It is about protecting what you have already earned. Think of your trading account like a business, okay? A business doesn't reinvest every single coin forever. Eventually, it takes some profits out. That way, even if the business had a bad month, the owner has already secured part of the earnings. Trading should be no different, all right? Now, let me now tell you a simple withdrawal, okay? There isn't one perfect percentage, okay? But here's a simple rule that works for many traders. If your account grows by around 20 or even 30, consider withdrawing part of the profits. Not all of them, just a portion. For example, if you started with $100 and your account reaches 120 or 130, you could withdraw 10 to 15 and then leave the rest to continue growing. Now you have achieved 2 things, all right? You have rewarded yourself and you have reduced the risk of giving everything back to the market, okay? Now here is the opposite mistake. Some traders withdraw every tiny profit they make. The thing they do not know is that this slows account growth, okay? Compounding is one of the biggest advantages in trading, and I've always mentioned it, okay? If you remove all your profits every day, your account struggles to grow. The goal is balance and also to protect some profits, all right? Leave some profits to continue working for you. Okay? Again, you have to build a withdrawal plan. Instead of deciding emotionally every day, create rules before you even start trading. For example, I'll withdraw profits every Friday, or I will withdraw 30% of every month's profits, or I'll only withdraw after reaching a specific milestone. Having rules removes emotions from the process, okay? And emotion is one of the biggest reasons traders lose money, okay? One important reminder. There's another reason withdrawals are important, okay? Once you've withdrawn real money, you've proven to yourself that trading can actually pay you. This confidence is very different from simply watching numbers on a screen. It reminds you that your goal isn't to build the biggest account possible. Your goal is to build a system that consistently pays you over time, okay? Now, what can we conclude from all this? So, how much profit should you withdraw? Because I know that is the question, okay? There's no magic number. But don't make the mistake of risking every single profit you have worked hard to earn. Protect some, reinvest some, stay disciplined, because in trading, it is not just about money, it is keeping it, okay? Yeah, so you can either decide to withdraw 50% of the profit, build a plan. You can either, let's say, decide to withdraw 30% every week, 30% in a month, or every day you make a profit, you take 40 to 30% of the profit and you leave, all right? It is up to you, but ensure you have a system in place. Don't risk everything you have earned in a day, all right? If you make $20 today, you can say, I will take 10 for myself. The other 10, I will keep it in the account for the account to keep growing, all right? That makes sure you're able to reward yourself while also ensuring your account remains can be able to sustain itself in the long run, okay? So in the comments below, I want you to let me know, do you usually withdraw your profits or do you keep everything in your trading account, okay? I'll appreciate that. And again, if you've enjoyed this video, please ensure like and subscribe, and please share to anyone who you know trades in Deriv. It will be highly appreciated. Please, guys, and yeah, let me know. What do you believe in? Do you believe in letting all your money stay there or withdrawing everything? All right? Yeah, that will be very helpful. Thank you guys for making time to be here. Thank you for listening. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.